Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. We have some run deals and glitches to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, so first up, quick warning to everybody out there. If you have your notifications turned on, notifications have not been working correctly. So you may or may not be receiving notifications whenever I upload a new video. Hopefully YouTube will get all that figured out soon and get everything working correctly. But in the meantime, I have already uploaded a video. So just in case you missed it, you're definitely not going to want to miss this one. We've got new clearance markdowns and a penny list for this week. And y'all, when I say epic, I do mean epic. This week is going to be epic at Dollar General. So make sure that you go and check out that video. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, good morning, everybody. Let's go ahead and jump into these new Dollar General digital coupons. Of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We have a lot of new cashback offers on our accounts. $2.50 off for the Ziploc baggies. Those start out at $5, so 50% off. That's going to make your final price $2.50. We also have those high value cashback offers on the Dollar Shave Club razor and refill. Good to see that those are back. I went ahead and clipped all of these cashback offers to my account. We also have a couple of older coupons from last week. I went ahead and clipped those as well. We did receive a new 2-off-1 for our Bounty paper towels. This coupon does work on the 6-count Bounty Essentials. Those are priced at $5.60. After the coupon, you're paying $3.60. We have a $3.50 off one for the Tide Power Pods. So these start out at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to be paying $6.45. Be aware, we do have some lower value coupons that you're going to see here in a few minutes. We do have two 3-off-1 Tide coupons. Next up, we have gain coupons. So as y'all can see on this account, I received a spend 40, save 10. On another account, I received a spend 30, save 7. So you guys let me know what you received down in the comment section below. Right beside it, we have a 2-off-1 for our Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Next up, we have a $2.50 off one for the Colgate toothpaste. If you want to pick up the Max Fresh, the Total, or the Optic White, select ones are on sale this week for $3.25. So after the coupon, you're paying 75 cents. There's that lower 3-off-1 for the Tide products. We also received a 4-off-1 for our Gain Flings 60 count. Those are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're paying $11.95. We're going to move on down here to the 3-off-1 for the Swiffer starter kits. Now, this coupon is glitching, and I'm going to go ahead and call it a run deal, because the last time that we had this glitch, they did fix it within a couple of days. All right, so if you want to get in on this deal, make sure that you go ahead and grab it up before it's gone, because it is glitching right now. This coupon is working on the Swiffer Duster starter kits, priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Again, I'm going to go ahead and call that a run deal, because the last time that we had that glitch, they did fix it. We did receive a new $1.50 off one for the All and Snuggle products. The Snuggle dryer sheets are $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have a new $2.50 off one for the Colgate mouthwash and the toothbrushes. The mouthwash is priced at $5, so that is 50% off. You're paying $2.50. This coupon is also glitching. It's working on the charcoal toothbrushes, priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're paying 85 cents. And it is also glitching, working on the Max White toothbrush. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're paying 50 cents. Next up, we have a 3-off-1 for the Chic Classic razors. Those are priced at $5.35. After the coupon, you're paying $2.35. Moving on down, we did receive a new 1-off-1 for our Suavitel fabric softener products. This does work on the dryer sheets. They're priced at $1.95, so after the coupon, you're paying 95 cents. We also have Garnier Fruit Teas and Garnier Whole Blends this week. We have a new 2-off-1 for our CoverGirl eye product. If you want to pick up the eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're paying $2.95. And we're going to move on down here, because I have a specific deal that I want to tell you all about. We have this 2-off-1 for the CoverGirl face products. Those start out at $6.75. After the coupon, you're paying $4.75. The CoverGirl products are on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. So if you pick up the eyeliner pencils and one of the face products like the powder or the foundation, that is going to leave you paying $5.22 for both. Here we have a 3-off-1 for our Folgers ground coffee. Those are priced at $10.75. After the coupon, you're paying $7.75. And then right beside it, we have an amazing deal on these little Beneful Incredibites dog food trays. So $1.99 off of 2. This is a manufacturer coupon. These are normally priced at $1.95 each. $2 for that little tray of dog food. But they're on sale this week too for $2.65. And we also have a buy one get one free DG store coupon. So I haven't went in depth on the math yet. I'm not quite sure if this is definitely a glitch, but something's going on with the sale and both of these coupons. If you pick up a total of 3, the sale will apply, both coupons will apply, and that's going to leave you paying 66 cents. So definitely clip that to your account. Go out and grab that deal just in case they decide to take one of those coupons away or fix it in the system, because at $1.95 each for one little tray of dog food, I cannot even believe how expensive this stuff is. Next up, we have 150 off 1 for the Glade products. This coupon is working on the aerosol sprays. Those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Right below it, we have a high value coupon on the Dreft laundry detergents. Those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're paying $7.50. We have a 75 cent off one for the Gain Easy Squeeze. If this is the same size, those are priced at $2. After the coupon, you're paying $1.25. Moving on down, we have a 2-off-2 for our Gain scent beads. I believe these are the ones priced at $4.50. Again, it wasn't showing up for me in the app, so scan before you go up to the register. And again, double check to make sure that you don't have any higher value coupons on your account. We have a buy one get one free coupon on the American greeting cards, and then diagonally down there at the bottom we have a buy two get one free. Both of these coupons are glitching. They're working on the 50-cent cards. Pick one up for 50 cents. Buy one get one free, you're paying 50 cents for 2. Buy 2 get one free, you're paying $1 for 3. So either way, great deal. 1-off-1 for the Gentle Steps baby lotion. Those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're paying $2.50. And then right down here at the bottom, we have a 50-cent off one for the American greeting cards. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the ones that are priced at 50 cents. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. But y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have even more crazy deals to share with y'all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.